After interview, we give many patients, many of you see, we give advice patient because in first interview, in many homeopathic interviews, it's not possible to finish the case. Many of us are not at that level and sometimes we are not able to understand you. So we give you an advice that spend 1 hour at least every 15 days with you. Yeah, an activity which you like to do and see what comes up on the surface. If any dream comes, make note of it. Anything which is unique, you have experience about you, make note of it. Any fear comes up, make note of it. Any interest and hobbies which come suddenly, which you have not thought, make note of it. Or you do an activity which you love the most. Let's say walking or jogging or swimming for an hour. If you are doing an activity which you love, end of that you are centered, right? You are with yourself. Naturally, if you are with yourself, something will come on the surface. Keep noting down. So many of you, we must have told you that note down dream, fear, interest, hobbies, whatever comes up on the surface. Make note of, after activity, make note of these things. Gradually, as you move from disease to health, what is happening? A unique pattern is emerging. Like in a case of children, we tell mother to make a diary. I'm sure many of you know this. We tell them to make a diary during treatment and after treatment. And make note of every fear, every new dream, every interest and hobbies which come on the surface while he is on a treatment and after treatment. So what will happen? A pattern will emerge on the surface. Based on this pattern, we can start guiding you. Like this case I'll tell you, this child came to me. This child was having autism and he's going to the special school. We gave him a space, but he could speak little bit and observation, and they belong to very low socio-economical status. But child spoke at every area, one fear and excitement together. Of course, in broken language and not connected, he was restless. And he made some drawing, but they made no sense. We understood him in every, my observation, parents' observation, in fear, in dream, one pattern running, we gave him a medicine. As he started improving, and when the father was making that diary, we started seeing that he developed an affinity for drawing more and more. To the extent when there was a competition of special school and all the school in the Parla area, he came first. Even in the normal school, like all normal school, he came first. So what I told parents that keep making this diary. Now this child in a school should be studied not verbally but in a art form more and more. Let him be guided through the drawing pattern. And we kept a special teacher for him. And now what is he doing? Not only he improved, we send him to a normal school. He improved to that level. And drawing went to that level where he's making drawing, and every 6 months they have a kind of a, what you call mela or something. They will put his drawings and all, and whatever money comes goes in his fund. So now he is able to survive on his own with his art form. In a school, his ability to talk and write, which was not there at all, came up through drawing. So everything we guided through, because in this child drawing, in some child comes up under the form of art, in some children storytelling. Whatever come on the surface, we guide them accordingly. So what I learned from this, that is it possible that if I stay with my unique song, I first find out and then design everything in my life, my relationship, my exercise, my spiritual thing, based on this unique being, my job, my business, it will be appropriate. Don't you think that that would be a remedy? If I match my being and my business is appropriate, that itself will become a remedy. That's what they call vocation, no? Vacation plus profession, where I'm not pushed. If I select a diet based on my inner pattern, which my being knows, then I don't have to select many, that one which is for me. If I select an exercise pattern, that's the reason why many times when we do, let's say we go for a walk, we lose weight for some time, again we come back to the same point again and again. This is because we are not doing according to our inner pattern. We are just doing to that science. We push, like if I take a dumbbell and I keep doing it, muscle will come, but the whole being is not involved in it. Imagine if I walk, and then I design which type of walk is good for my being, where my all five senses are centered, where I'm enjoying every minute of it. Gradually a unique designer walk will start coming up on the surface. And if I stay with that for rest of my life, that is my walk. Then I don't need to go anywhere else. This is it. So this is also possibility, that if we can design everything about us and around us based on our unique pattern, that itself would become a remedy. So slowly we bring you out of depending on outside, whether allopathy or homeopathy. You depend on your own inner pattern. So this is homeopathic principle, not only finding you who you are, but then make you stay with it and then design everything around it.